back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to unbox something. Well, I love unboxing. Oh my baby! Oh my gosh! Look at this! This is a robot vacuum cleaner. Let me compare this to the one I have. This is Roboking, the old one I have since 2016. And until now, she's still doing pretty good in the house. And look at this! Oh my god, look at the new one! Oh my goodness! Oh, it is easier. Look at that. This is for the hair, especially you have long hair. Let's put it back. Is it easy to put it back? Yes. Goodness, good. This is my new helper. Her name is Ɂ크웨어. These are the sensors. Oh my goodness, I love it. The old one, I just want to have a new one since she's been working with me from 2016. And I think it's time for her to get another helper to clean the house. This would be fun. This is round, well, this one is not. So what we got here is, we have, of course, it's charger. Oh, sorry. And this one, so this is the charger. It goes like this. So, oh my god, and it does charge itself. When she finish, or when they finish cleaning the whole house, they just automatically go back to their house. I call this house, and then they charge themselves. And this is the mop. And oh my god, you can put water in here. This one, you cannot put water in this. It only has a kind of a towel, but this one has. Look at that. Oh, 너무 좋아요. Oh, 좋아요, 좋아요. And what else do we have here? And also, I have extra. And this is extra filter. And I have extra of this. So, 너무 좋아요. 열었어요. 언박싱 다 했고, 그리고 여기 있는 거는 제가 잠깐만요. 여기 오른쪽에 제가 여기 옆에 있는 거는 옛날에 2016년 때부터 계속 쓰고 있던 로보킹이에요. 지금까지도 잘 쓰고 있지만 그런데 배터리가 점점 빨리 나가요. 그래서 새 거 주문했고, 이거는 씽크웨어 브랜드 씽크웨어 청소기거든요. 로봇 청소기. 그리고 좋은 거 뭐냐면 이거 동그랗게. 아직 안 써봤지만 이런 거는 다른 거 뭐냐면 이 탱케어가 물통이 있어요. 걸레도 같이 넣을 수 있고, 그리고 물통도 있고. 로보킹은 물통이 없어요. 로보킹은 이거밖에 없고요. 이거도 멋있어요. 그리고 여기 엑스트라 필터도 있고, 이런 것도 엑스트라 있고요. 제 생각은 좋은 것 같고, 제 생각은 아마도 이 오래된 거는 못 버려요. 아까워요. 같이 써요. 집에서 같이 빙글빙글 두 개. 재밌죠? 일단 충전한 다음에 테스트 해볼게요. 알겠어요? 네. 이따 뵙겠습니다.
충전 중입니다.
I just finished testing the new one, and comparing to the old one, the Think Air, which is the new one, makes more sound than the old one. She does clean pretty good, and she still clean pretty well. I still love her. Alright, so thank you so much everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the bell button so you are updated for my next video. Okay, you guys also have to go home.
충전을 해 홈으로 이동한다. 충전된 탐색을 시작합니다.
Go, 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 go. Baboon!